What up, YouTube fam? Back with Hunt.us, and we are going to be doing some boat maintenance today on my low 1860 90 horsepower Mercury. We're going to be changing the lower unit oil and also the motor oil, and so we're going to jump right into it, show you guys how to do this. Quick, simple. You do it at the house on a few tools, a little bit of know-how. So let's get to it. So we got siphon hose, so we can put it on and drain the oil. Then of course we got our oil, our gear oil, and pump. And then we got a prop wrench, or really improvised prop wrench. I couldn't find my prop wrench to get the prop off, so we're going to start there. So I already loosened this up a little bit so you can just get it off hand tight. That off. Pull this little tab out. Set all this right here. Kind of hard to see. But right there is your nut. Lower unit oil. So we're going dadgum get that off. The second one is gonna be a flathead right here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Right there we go. So we'll get that off and get that draining first. Kind of a little bit handicapped today because flying solo. It's also got a flathead, so we're going to use that. There comes the washer with it. We got new washer, so we're gonna pitch that. We're gonna lay this right there. And then what we're gonna do, slide this up and under there, get that up out of the way. And we're gonna come right here to the side, loosen this other bolt, and then it should start draining. And voila. This is my first service on it. I was supposed to do the 20-hour break-in service, but I did not do that. But I've only got 34 hours on the boat now, so I'm a little bit late on that. So I figure we better go ahead and get all that taken care of for efficiencies and gears up here. We got the turkey juvenile opener here in a couple of days in Tennessee, then the adult season after that. And so we're going to be hunting some islands out on the lake, so got to get ready for that. And the red buds are blooming, so it's time for the crappie, so we're going to get on to some of them too. So we're going to give that a minute, let it drain, then we're going to go ahead and start draining the motor oil as well. Need me a cameraman. So here's our drain plug for the motor oil. We're going to throw our hose on there so it can drain out without getting everywhere. Run it down here to the bucket. Make that one right there work. Just loosen it where we can loosen it with our hand. Then just give that a couple turns, and there she starts flowing. Then while we're waiting on that, we'll go ahead. Let's see, we'll raise this up. Pull our dipstick. Well, that's a knuckle buster every time too. That'll help it drain a little bit faster. Then once we're done with that, we'll hook up the hose right here. It's our plug that comes off. Take off our oil filter. Then we'll replace the oil filter. Do the lower unit oil, let that settle. Get the gaskets back on. Then we'll be wrapping up here pretty soon. It's a pretty simple process. It don't take a whole lot of time. If I wasn't filming, 15-20 minutes, have her knocked out. Now we got most of that drained. We're gonna hook up, take this plug off right here. And basically all this is a little basin to catch oil in from the oil filter. Run it down here. Wipe my hands off so I'll be able to hopefully turn this thing. Nope. See if I got a oil filter wrench. Didn't have an oil filter wrench, so we're going to see if we can't make this do. Yeah, just enough there. Alright, we're going to let that drain for a minute, then we'll be back and start putting it all back together. We're going to fill this sucker back up with some oil, gear oil now. So we're going to pump this a few times till we get some in here. About like that. And this is going to screw into the screw hole that we took out. Then we're going to slowly pump it until it comes out the side right there. Alright, so you see it's coming out now. So we're going to let that settle for a minute. Then we'll put that plug back in there. Wipe that up. Go ahead and put us, see if we can get that to focus here. There we go. Gonna put a new plug in there, a new washer on the hole, on the bolt rather. Then we'll unscrew this, put this one back in. Alright. Now to put oil filter back on that, fill it up oil, check it, and we'll be done. Alright, before we put the oil filter on, we're going to go ahead and put our prop back on. My notches up. Alright, got that back on. Snugged it up. Get this oil filter on. Just take some of this old oil, go right around the gasket, around these threads. Gonna be that hand tie. Put this plug back on. Then up here is the engine oil. Grab a filter, fill it up. It takes 5.5. Let's see here. Yeah, 5.5 US quarts or 5.2 liters, if I can talk right. See if we can do this without making a mess. There's 3.78 liters. And 5.2. So we'll go. So there's 3. Let's see, 3.78 plus, say 1 is 4.78. Need or just a little bit more. Then we'll check it. Probably add just a touch more, and we should be good shape. Check it one more time here. You can see there, right in the middle. Alright. We're going to get cleaned up here, and that's how you change motor oil and lower unit oil and outboard motor. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Drop some comments what you think, what we can do better, and what kind of content you want to see. We'll see you this coming turkey season.